The AI wake-up call for marketers AI is transforming the marketing landscape. AI searches are quickly surpassing all other modes of research, sending marketers scrambling to get their brand found in AI search and in other new channels. Dealing with this massive change starts with a deeper understanding of AI and how you can use it to be better at marketing. Marketers who use AI on a daily basis know this and have an edge. However, many marketing and sales pros are not using AI regularly and will fall behind. AI enhances what you already do well. It won't replace marketers. It'll empower the best ones. In this blog, I will review how marketers can use AI to be better at their jobs and best understand how to use AI in this turbulent marketing environment. Get strategic. Use AI to support, not replace, your thinking. Strategy is the starting point. Lean on AI to help you refine, test, and better understand your marketing strategy. Use AI to get a clear definition of the value you bring to your customers. Use our 4-step process as the foundation. Strategy, strategic communication, inbound marketing, conversions, and ROI. Use AI to analyze benefits, define personas, and beat your competitors. Ask ChatGPT, what are the key benefits of your product for your target persona? Build an AI-enhanced marketing plan based on clear, measurable goals. Strategic goals. Use AI to reach your company's growth goals. How to use AI for marketing. Generate benefit-driven messaging. Marketers often focus too much on features. AI is great at distilling value propositions into customer-facing benefits. Use AI to create a checklist of benefits and focus your messaging on these statements of value. AI chat prompt, Merher 1, benefits. What are the top 10 benefits our customers want when buying, insert product service, from a company like your company name? AI chat prompt number 2, personas. Write a detailed marketing persona for a job title at a company size type who is searching for solution you offer. Include pain points, goals, and where they get their information. AI chat prompt. Number 3, competitors. Compare our website and messaging to our top 3 competitors. List URLs. What are the key differences in tone, value proposition, and user experience? Supercharge Persona Development AI is an amazing tool you can use to better understand your target market. Focus will win you more customers, and this starts with persona work. Great marketers live inside the head of their prospective customer. Use AI to create detailed, accurate personas for each customer segment. Key prompt, write a persona for a job title at a company type looking for solution. Then ask, what content topics would be most valuable for this persona? Use AI tools like ChatGPT to craft detailed, realistic buyer personas, including demographics, pain points, content preferences, and digital behavior. This helps you market to real people, not vague audiences. Prompt example. Create a persona for a VP of sales at a mid-size SaaS company looking to improve lead generation. Optimize content by user intent and funnel stage. The best marketers also understand how their prospective customers research before the buy. And remember, much of this research will now involve AI summaries in Google and the use of Google's AI mode. AI can help define your customer journey, recommend lead magnets, and identify conversion points. AI helps match content to user behavior and search intent. This is SEO gold. Align content by research intent, top of funnel. Comparison, purchase intent, mid and bottom funnel. Action item, use AI to create a content plan based on these stages. Action item, search your brand in Google's AI mode and see what comes up. Prompt example, build a sample sales funnel for people buying product services. Create first draft content. Fast AI can generate draft blog posts, landing pages, taglines, social posts, and even video scripts, saving hours on content creation. It's your brainstorming partner, not your final editor. AI is ideal for website copy, social posts, email campaigns, ebooks, and more. Important, always review and edit. AI content is your first draft, not your final product. Tip from the IW way. Keep content aligned with user intent, not just SEO checklists. Tip from the IWA. Always review for brand tone and polish before publishing. Match content to user intent. AI helps map keywords and content to stages of the sales funnel and user intent, crucial for SEO and conversion strategy. Prompt example. List 10 blog ideas for someone researching your product category with purchase intent. Goal, create compelling messaging, taglines, and content that connects. AI chat. Prompt number 4, taglines. Write 5 homepage taglines, 8 to 12 words each, that clearly state the main benefit of our product, service for persona name. Make them persuasive and simple. AI chat prompt. Number 5, blogs. Write a blog outline for the topic, your topic based on what persona name wants to learn at the top of the funnel. AI chat prompt. Number 6, content rewrites. Rewrite this paragraph to sound more engaging, empathetic, and user-focused. Paste copy here. Write smarter email campaigns. From subject lines to full sequences, AI can help you craft email copy that's personalized, segmented, and conversion-focused. Prompt. Example, create a 5 email sequence for leads who downloaded our ebook. Of course, you will need to write an ebook with the help of AI. AI chat prompt. Number 7, email nurturing. Create a 5 email nurture sequence for leads who downloaded our lead magnet. Each email should move them closer to a demo or consultation. Brainstorm social media content. AI is a great social media content tool. It can give you content ideas, strategies, write brief posts, and more. AI can be your personal social media consultant. Prompt example. Write 5 LinkedIn post ideas that show thought leadership in your industry. Leverage AI in real-time meetings and collaboration use tools like Fathom to record, transcribe, summarize, and extract action items from client or team meetings. Prompt example. Summarize this transcript and list 5 action items. Paste meeting transcript. Tools like Fathom for meeting transcription and summary improve internal marketing collaboration. Use AI to write post-meeting action items, recap emails, and even project briefs. Keep your sales and marketing meetings focused, document action items, and supercharge the team's productivity by eliminating wasteful meetings. Build your AI tools. ChatGPT and Google Gemini are your foundational tools. Use Hotjar, Crazy Egg, user feedback, HubSpot, CRM and email automation, and Google Analytics for data. Combine tools to streamline and scale your work. The best marketers use AI to do more of what they already do well, faster and better. Action item. Pick one marketing challenge and write 3 AI prompts to help solve it today. Develop and maintain your digital marketing plan. AI helps marketers stay organized, offering outlines, checklists, timelines, and even performance reviews. Prompt example. Write a 90-day digital marketing plan for a company targeting persona in industry. Great AI prompts for marketing. Here are a few more AI chat prompts you can use to make AI a powerful marketing resource. How do I write better AI prompts for marketing? What AI tools should my marketing team start with? How can I use AI to improve SEO results? Create a conversion strategy for our website that guides persona from first visit to lead. Include call to actions, landing page ideas, and content offers. Write 3 headline and subhead combinations for a landing page that promotes our product service to persona. Optimize for clarity and urgency. What key metrics should we track to measure the ROI of our inbound marketing campaign for campaign name? Get comfortable with AI. Test, learn, and transform your marketing. These are strategies we use with our clients and I teach in my Vistage talks. Put your energy into learning these AI principles. Test out the AI prompts in this blog post and reach out to me if you want to go deeper or get help implementing AI into your marketing. Got questions about how to be a better marketer? Reach out, schedule a 30-minute check-in meeting, and we can talk in detail about how you can use AI to be a better marketer